Hi guys, this is Tejas and today we'll be looking at the earphones from Skullcandy, which it's a good brand these days, and people are buying this earphones and which gives definitely a good output, and the build quality of the earphones is also good. So guys, this will be a short video and there is nothing much in it, but I just wanted to give an heads up because people who just want to enjoy the music along with the mic can definitely go for this earphone. So to have a closer look, this is completely plastic of ear, and this is the Skullcandy logo, and we do get the ear tips as well to change according to your ear size. So this is a plastic build, and the wires are tangle free, and this is the mic and a play pause button as well. So the length is quite good, and the sound of this earphone is also good. There are not deep bass, but definitely there is thump in this earphones, and it performs very well according to the price they are for which we get. So guys, this is not a gold plated, but again the form factor and the build quality is good. I would be more happy if it was in L in shape, so because sometimes this creates a problem when the phone is in the pocket. So guys, if you're looking for a cheap earphones and a low budget earphones, so these are the ones. I'll be placing a link in my description, so people who want to buy this can definitely go for this. So guys, please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you have a great day. Bye bye.